Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking on the topic Wrinkles Drive Aging. We thought it was the other way around. We thought as we got older, we developed wrinkles. Let's figure out why this matters. We know that skin is an amazing organ. It's in fact probably the largest organ in our body. It's in competition with the endothelium of our blood vessels. They're both about the same weight and volume. And it's an amazing organ. It keeps germs out. It's elastic and stretchy. It's got all sorts of qualities. Protects us from getting dehydrated, keeps us warm, just does lots of useful features and functions for us. And as we get older, we lose 1% of our structural proteins every year, so that our skin gets more elastic and more stretchy. We lose the ability to make vitamin D, cholesterol content goes down, we don't hydrate as well, all those things. And so we start developing wrinkles. But what's in all those wrinkles? It's all wrapped up in the concept of senescent cells. What's a senescent cell? A healthy cell, let me make an analogy. A healthy cell is like a soldier on the parade ground, all dressed up in their uniform, standing in aisle. Their rifle is cocked and over their shoulder, and their boots are polished. Okay, that's a healthy, quiescent cell. Prepared, ready to go, sitting there, waiting quietly. A senescent cell is like that soldier back in the barracks, sitting around a card table in their underwear, drinking beer and playing poker and saying all sorts of language their mother probably shouldn't hear. They're not ready for the enemy. They're not prepared for anything. Senescent cells start losing their function, and they kind of become zombie cells. They're on the pathway to eventually be getting recycled and thrown out. The problem is they persist. And as zombie cells, they sort of damage the cells around them. You kind of want to get rid of senescent cells, or else stimulate them to go back. If you're the largest organ in your body and you have a whole lot of senescent cells, you're damaging the whole organism. That's how wrinkles cause aging, not the other way around. How do we reverse those zombie cells? Well, David Sinclair at MIT has shown us quite well, his research is still in progress with his own study, that the combination of NAD and metformin makes you younger. Tartary buckwheat is known to make us younger. Vitamin D is certainly part of that process. DHEA as a supplement probably makes us part of the process. Rapamycin probably helps us get rid of zombie cells. All of those things participate in that system of nudging you towards. I've taken tartary buckwheat for a while and measured my epigenetic age, and I took 10 years off of my life by taking the tartary buckwheat on top of NAD and metformin. So you can do that. We can measure it. We're not very good yet, but if you notice, I got wrinkles. I'm 73 years old. This is an issue for all of us as we get older. How do we modulate that process? Wrinkles drive aging. Bummer.